In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix Bookings on your website using the Wix editor in Chrome. Let's dive in and transform your site into a booking powerhouse together. To start, open the Wix editor or Wix Studio in your Chrome browser. This forms the foundation for everything you'll be working on today. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account so that you have access to all your projects and settings. Once you're in, head over to the Wix App Market. You can find it on the left-hand side of your dashboard. It's like the App Store for your Wix site, where you can find a variety of plugins built to enhance and broaden your website's functionality. In the search bar at the top, type in Wix Bookings, and you'll see it pop right up for you. Click on it, and then hit Add to Site. This app is an essential tool for managing appointments, scheduling, and services right from your website. Now that you've added Wix Bookings, the next step is to set up your services, availability, and staff members. This is really important because it allows both you and your customers to have a clear understanding of what services you offer and when they're available. First, you'll define the services you provide, whether it's consultations, classes, or one-on-one meetings. Be descriptive and specific, as this is what potential clients will see when they come to your site. Then, set your availability so clients know when they can book appointments. If you have multiple staff members, you can add them here too, setting each person with their own schedule to effectively manage everyone's time. After your services, availability, and staff are all set up, it's time to customize your booking form fields and overall design. Head to the form fields section within the Bookings app. Here, you can tailor the fields based on the information you need from your customers. This customization can be as detailed or as simple as you prefer. Once that's done, proceed to the design section, where you can make aesthetic changes that align with your website's branding and style. A seamless design not only looks appealing, but also enhances user experience, making it easier for visitors to book your services. The next step is to integrate the booking widgets onto the page you want it to appear. In the Wix editor, navigate to the page you'd like to add this feature to, and drag the booking widget to your desired spot. Positioning is key here, so ensure it's accessible and visible to users navigating through your site. Finally, after everything is in place and you've double-checked your settings and appearance, go ahead and save your changes. Ensure everything looks the way you want, then publish your site. By publishing, your updated site goes live, enabling you to start receiving bookings from clients right away. And there you have it. A fully functioning booking system for your Wix website, ready to start accepting reservations and managing your services efficiently. Thanks for watching and enjoy the seamless booking experience you've just created.